there, and welcome to our quilt block studio. This is the Christmas chain star. We are going to need 3 different fabrics to make this block. So my mustard color, I have cut those rectangles at 5 1/4 by 2 3/8, and then I have cut them on those angles. You need to cut those angles separately, okay? Unless you're using a solid, then you can flip it over, but if your fabric has any print, you must cut those angles in the 2 different directions. You're also going to need 10 squares of purple that are 2.5 inches square, 10 squares of snow colored fabric that are also 2.5 inches square, and you're going to need to download the triangle template from my pattern at sparrowquiltco.com. You're looking for block 6 of 50. Again, it's called the Christmas chain star. If you wanted to try and wing it, these are 4 3/4 wide by 4 3/4 tall, and this angle here is 63 degrees. Like I said, the template is available. The first thing we're going to piece are the little triangle units. So we're going to start with one of our triangles and a setting triangle for each corner. When you sew on the first piece, you're going to line them up at the top, and you're going to allow that bottom tail to hang off. When you press it open, it will look like this, and then we're going to add the other side. Again, you're going to line up at the top and let that little tail hang off the bottom left. Once you're finished that, it's going to look like this, and you're going to need 4 of these. I also want you to use your white and purple squares, or snow and purple squares, to create 5 little 4 patches. Once you've done that, you're just going to treat it like a 9 patch, and you're going to put it together in 3 separate rows. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.